Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you find the last videos helpful, and today we're going to learn about HTML attributes. And before that, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And to get notification when I upload a video, hit the bell button. We have seen few HTML tags in the usage like heading tags, paragraph tag and other tags. We used them so far in their simplest form, but most of the HTML tags can also have attributes, which are extra bits of information. An attribute is used to define the characteristics of an HTML element and is placed inside the element's opening tag. All attributes are made up of two parts, a name and a value. The name is the property you want to set. For example, the paragraph element in this example carries an attribute whose name is align, which can use to indicate the alignment of the paragraph on the page. And the value is what you want the value of the property to be set, and always put with the quotation. And in these three examples, we have three possible align attributes: left, center, and right. If you see output, the output will be the left alignment will be aligned left, the center will be displayed in the center, and the right will be displayed or aligned in the right position. Also, some are required for certain elements. For instance, an image tag must contain source and alternate attributes. Now let's take a look at the usage of these attributes. In source, we will insert the image location. My image location is in the desktop, and our image name is ct.jpg, and alternative, let's say ct image, and its width 100 pixels, and its height 100 pixels. Let's save it, and our image will be displayed. And you must know, both simple and double quote can be used to quote attribute values. However, double quotes are most common. Now let's see the style attribute. This style attribute allows us to specify CSS styling rules directly within the elements, such as color, font, border, and etc. And if we want to make our paragraph color red, let's say style color red. This is red color. Let's save this and let's see the output. Here the color changes to red. And there are several attributes in HTML5 that do not consist of a value, but consist only in name attributes. These attributes are called Boolean attributes. Some of these are read-only, checked, required, disabled, etc. And for today, we're going to see read-only. We'll see the rest on our form video. Stay tuned. Okay. Input, type text and its value. Let's say read only text. And here is the name attribute read only. If you make this read only, we cannot edit the text inside the box. It will be read only. Let's save this and let's check it. Here in the box it says read only text. We cannot delete it and we cannot edit it. But if we erase here read only and save this, we can edit the text and we can write whatever we want. And this is all for today. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.